This next item is a very nice banker's lamp. It's a nice brass desk lamp. It does adjust so this can come down closer or up higher. It's a fairly new fixture with an old look. It has no markings as to its manufacturer. It does work. It does have a light bulb in it. Thank you very much for viewing this auction.